Oh yeah, guys, what's up, man? This is the boy Dennis here. Today I just wanna show you that I just wanna show you how I made a $49 with just one visitor, just one visitor, visit and buy only one visitor, guys. So I just wanna show you that affiliate marketing is real. It can work. I want to prove to you that it can work, guys. I'm telling you. I just made it. I made this amount with free traffic, guys. So yeah, let me show you. I just want to prove you that affiliate marketing is really just one visitor, guys. As you can see here, affiliate, it says affiliate, one visit, one sell. I just sell there's a product I sell for 97, and I received the 49 commission, as you can see here, guys. So I just want to show you that is real. It can work, guys. Let me refresh so that you can see it's real. It's not a fraud, it's not a scam. Let me refresh it in front of your eyes. As you can see, it's loading here, guys. I want you to trust and believe. As you can see, nothing changed here, guys. One visitor, one sell, yeah. And yeah, $49 commission, guys. I want to tell you that it really works. Affiliate marketing really work. If you want more information about affiliate marketing, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and get access to start seeing this kind of result, guys. Affiliate marketing is real and it works for many people, guys. That is all. That is for today. I don't have much to say. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.